guys, Chi-Chi here. I have a very, very exciting unboxing today because it's black owned. You know, I love my black owned brands and I gotta tell you who's on and popping. So this unboxing is from Anima Iris. Honey, if you haven't heard about her, I'm gonna tell you all about it because right now it's the brand to watch. So here's the packaging for the Anima Iris brand. And I think she's in the process of updating it, but nice little smooth shablam. Look at that. Handcrafted in Dakar for you, which is me. Right now, presentation, A+. I know you guys are gonna be surprised because I really don't get tiny bags, but here is her stock card. Let me show you guys that real quick. Up close, stock card. Follow her on Instagram. And this is what the card says. I'm not going to read this whole thing. The dust bag is actually kind of velvety, so that's a nice departure from your regular cotton bags, which I do appreciate. Here we go. I got this tiny little good. It is Zaza. This is a Zaza bag. It is a mini bag. Y'all know I have reluctantly come to the dark side of mini bags, but wow, just get into it, girl. Just look at this craftsmanship. Oh my. Now, obviously this is one of those cute little two-finger type of bags, but wow, here is the inside. She is cute. She's cute. And inside is a pit. Oh wait, they actually do have a slip pocket back here, so you can put a card. Yes, because I hate when there's mini bags and you don't have at least a little bit of a slither right there, you know? So a nice card slot is very much so welcome. But she is a tiny bag. She does have a magnetic closure, so that is cool. So let me tell you about this bag. All right, so I've been following the brand for quite some time and I did want to try their Zaza bags. I think they're really beautiful. It's a great alternative to the Jacquemus bag, but make it black owned. So that's why I really wanted to spend my money with Anima Iris. Here's the tea, pull up your chair. All right, so she put up on Instagram that she's gonna be having a sale. And I was like, yes, I'm here for it. Can't wait, because I already knew I was gonna get this bag. So the sale comes first day, purchase it in the cart, paid, bam, I'm chilling. Literally 48 hours later, who posts on their IG page wearing an Anima Iris bag? Beyonce. Yes, Queen Bee posted a picture wearing a Anima Iris. Girl, when I tell you the rest of the sale, everybody took it. I mean, the site was practically wiped out. Like, the sale was gone. And I was like, damn, I should have bought more bags, because now everybody's going to be wanting these bags, and for good reason, because this is handcrafted bags. Like, this is not faux leather. This is leather. And if you go to her Instagram page, she'll post in her stories like people actually like cutting the bags and braiding the handles. Like, it's actual craftsmanship. So if you're into that, I know I love like crafted bags. Yeah, you're gonna want to check out Anima Iris bags. These bags actually come from Dakar in Senegal, so it's well crafted. It's got a leather smell to it too. It's not really like kick you in the nose type of leather, but when you get up on it, yep, that's leather, all right. But it is a beautiful little teeny tiny bag. It does not have feet because the bottom is kind of pushed in. The base of the bag actually acts as feet, so I'm okay with it. I still prefer something with feet, but in this bag, it would be pointless. It is silver hardware, and it's just very, very cute. Now, the one thing I do need to test out is if a phone will fit, and a phone does not fit in here. Unfortunately, it won't fit either way. So this is definitely one of those hand sanitizer, mask, card holder, and you're good to go, and you just keep your phone in your hand. I know usually with prints that are scaly like that, sometimes the scales kind of lift up, and I do see some lifting on parts of my bag, so hopefully you can see some lifting on there. So I'm pretty sure that's basically the nature of the leather, but there are a couple of pieces where it does look a little bit more raised than I would personally like. So I am going to contact them just in case, you know, it might be a small little defect. I don't know. But overall, it's a cute little something. It's a great alternative to the Jacquemus bags if you want to support a Black owned brand. And it's really, really nice. I mean, she has her logo inside of the bag, and I meant to show you guys, she has her tag right there, so it's made in Senegal, so you know exactly where she's getting this from. And it's satin lined, and I really do appreciate a satin lined bag. Normally you get that with hair, you don't get it with bags. Louis Vuitton don't even have satin lined bags, so look at this bag. That's quality right here. I'm telling you right now, y'all need to hop on this brand immediately. There aren't a lot of YouTube videos out, so if you have any questions, definitely let me know. But the reason why I say hop on this brand is because I love the fact that there's not like a plethora of stock with them. Anima will get a leather that she really likes, make a couple of bags, and then that's it. They don't want to have so much excess leather, which will create waste. So I do applaud the fact that she does make very limited quantities of certain colors. So I do appreciate that. And it's not just this texture. She has like things that are perforated, things are holographic, things that are just beautiful. It's just beautiful. A lot of the leathers that she has chosen for her line is just, I really, really dig. And I love the fact that, you know, not everyone is going to have this exact color. So we like a little exclusivity, okay? Like, say what you want, but y'all know my long history of bags. I like to carry something that I don't see everybody carrying, so I don't get bored and be like, I don't want to wear that bag because everybody's going to wear it. I'm going to run into 5 people wearing the bag. But this one, y'all need to hop on it. I'm telling y'all right now, she's about to explode. She is Beyonce approved. So you might want to get on it. I actually didn't tell you guys the price. I believe this one was $350, but because I caught it during a sale, I saved a lot of money, and it was a good sale. If you missed it, I'm sorry for you, sis. But I did get this on sale, and now that it's Beyonce approved, I don't know. Y'all gonna have to catch it when you catch it. If I can add on anything to this bag, I would love to have a longer strap. You guys know I'm a long shoulder bag type of girl. So I know some of the bags do come with a longer strap for an additional fee. I wish it was already a part of the bag. It also depends on which fabric that you actually choose, because some, they do have the longer straps, but other than that, it's typically just this size with a little handle to it. So if I could get a longer strap, I would, but knowing how she tries to keep the waste of products down to a minimum, and knowing that she tries to use every bit of fabric possible, I can't fault her on that. Like, it's a convenience thing for me. I can always go to like Amazon and get a different type of strap, but this, for a bag like this, it's meant to be, you know, cute and top handled. Like, oh, she's cute. But so far, so good. I am happy with my purchase. There is another bag that I am very much so interested in. I'm just waiting for the right color. I did see a couple of colors that I was this close with pulling the trigger with, but I was like, let me hold it, let me tuck it. You know, I want to see what she brings out for the fall and possibly winter. But I'm telling you right now, go to the site, get you one. You heard it here first. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.